Hi there. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use Python Selenium WebDriver for Selenium server testing. So what we are going to do is I have downloaded Selenium server jar file that I'm going to execute to create Selenium server instance. So go to the location where you have downloaded that jar file, then type in java-jar, then name of your file .jar. Okay, then hit enter and this should start Selenium server instance, and it will show you a specific URL with address 127.0.4444/wd/hub. So this is the URL that we are going to use in our remote WebDriver address. Okay, now open text editor and create one file with name demo.py. Here type in from Selenium import WebDriver. Also, if you're going to use any system module, then you need to import sys. Okay, after that create one variable named driver, then type in WebDriver dot remote. Within this method we type in desired capabilities. Okay, and we have to point WebDriver dot desired capabilities. Then you have to specify dot Firefox. Okay, also you have to specify command executor. Okay, and it will show you that URL that you have to use for your Selenium server. Okay, the next thing to do is you have to just do simple test. Let's say driver.get. Here I'm going to use one URL, something like, let's say google.com. You can use Wikipedia if you want. Then you can print value of that page. Okay, so this should show you whether your test passes or fails. Okay, now that we have one command prompt for server instance, we need to open one more where we are going to execute this program. So type in Python demo.py. Make sure you are in same driver directory where you have created this file. Now hit enter and we should start Firefox. If not, then you have some issue with your specific attribute. Let's say in my case it has desired capabilities attribute issue, so I'm going to change that. Let me check this. I'm going to type WebDriver dot desired capabilities. Okay, and it should be with capital and then Firefox. Okay, now let me save this again, and here clear and run the code again. Let's see if it works. It should start Firefox instance, otherwise it will just throw error. So if it starts the browser instance and prints your title, that means it is working fine. Okay, here you see Firefox browser instance in the background, and it will print title Google on your command prompt. Okay, so here you see it is loading Google's official page. Okay, once all the elements are loaded, it will show the page title on command prompt. And once that happens, that means our test is passed the way we want it. As you can see, it is printing Google. That means our test is passed. Okay, so you can add further code and do further testing. Note that if you want to use any other browser than Firefox, then make sure that you have that driver installed. Okay, so for example, if you want to use Chrome, then you need to download Chrome driver and then put it into your system path from which Selenium can grab that executable for the test. So this is the code. You can pause the video and go through all of this and try it on your own.